So for this warm-up, I thought I'd go ahead and show you how to draw what I refer to as a lovebird inspired by the artwork of Romero. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a heart, and the heart is going to really help us place the head and the rest of the body. So I'm going to sketch this out lightly. And it's just going to be a medium to small size heart. On the edge of this heart, I do want to come fairly straight and diagonal, because that's going to help us set up the back and the wings for our bird. Okay, once you have your heart sketched out, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to start sketching in the beak for the bird. So that beak is going to come to about here on your heart, and all you're going to do is you're going to come up from the dip here with a curve to form the beak. You're then going to curve a line to meet that. This is going to form the beak of your bird. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come about here, so about right here on my heart, and I'm going to come up and around, basically in a circle shape, till I get back to the top of the beak. We're going to go ahead and draw on a U and a circle inside of the U. And that's going to be the bird's eye. So you can adjust the size as you see fit. Okay, from here I'm going to sketch in the wing using that line from the heart. I'm going to extend it a little bit further down. I'm going to come out here, and I'm going to, so right about here, draw a nice big curve down to form the belly of that bird. So down and back up to that line. Okay, from here, we're going to add on the details for the wing. So I'm going to come from right here and just do a curve out and down. I'm going to put one more inside. I'm going to extend this line further down. I'm going to draw on the tail. So a slight diagonal, nice curve. I'm going to do another diagonal line here. Curve on the bottom. And one more over here. Okay, from here I'm going to come up almost like an antenna. Put a circle on the end. One more. I'm going to come back in and add another heart, since I refer to this as a lovebird. I'm going to make this one a little bit smaller. And then you can put this bird sitting on a branch very easily. We're going to just do a line under the belly. Kind of curves out and down. And extend that line over here. Okay, You can add on some branches if you want. A nice big leaf on there. You can draw your leaf any shape that you want. You can draw another leaf coming off the bottom here. You can put on some details with some curved lines. Then you can go ahead and add an outline in Sharpie if you like, and go ahead and color your bird in. So if you want to do it in a style similar to that of Romero Brito, make sure you're using some nice bright colors. And there you have it, a lovebird in the style of Romero Brito.